Good morning, everybody. So today I'm installing a third air conditioner in my RV. Actually, two new ones. One of them's right there. That's a little 9,000 BTU. It's from Amazon. These are 24 volt DC solar. These are gonna run on solar, so it's basically free, after you buy it. But yeah, I'm installing it today. All it needs is a little square in the roof, and you set it on top. It's got a big, thick pad under there. The whole thing's padded, so it's like the whole thing's a seal. So real nice kit, man. I can't remember what I paid for this. I think it was like $600, $700. And this is I think it's 12,000 BTU cooling and 3,000 heat. It can actually do a little heat. About 900 watts each, both of them. So I can only run one at a time on the system I have for now. But it'll be emergency anyway, and I actually wanted it because my electric bill was really high. Just trying to keep it climate controlled slightly in there because I didn't want to freeze my pipes again. Because last time it broke my toilet and my sink, and I still haven't fixed the sink. So yeah, so I want this to be able to at least keep it above freezing for free. And I have other ways to monitor it, and I'll probably even make it to where I could remotely turn it on. It's not a problem. It's no problem. My little solar panel, that's just for the 12 volt system. That's separate. I've got a couple of different things going on. I've got the camper's got its own 12 volt system with 2 AGMs, and then I've got 4 lithium 100 amp hour. So yep, and they're the way I'm doing it, it's going to be pretty nice. I haven't put the panels up yet because I'm not ready. I'm not putting them on top of the unit. I'm going to do something different that's going to be nice. So yeah, it'll be pretty high too, so it won't be like it's not going to be easy to get to them, if that makes sense. So anyway, all right, yeah, hopefully if y'all's been wondering about off-grid stuff, man, this is all you need. You could actually put this in a car. You could put that kit right there is actually for a little Chinese truck, so nothing's in English, but that's the only complaint mainly, and it's plastic. I think it's built great, to be honest, but you do have to charge it yourself. You got to vacuum it, you got to do all that, so I got all that shit. I got a nice little pump here. I'll set it, a little Hercules. I can pull a 500 with that, no problem, Micron. And then this is already charged. It's ready to go. It's just got to get power and hooked up, and it's real simple. I can't wait. I'm about to get the Sawzall out. I just got to figure out how I'm gonna get it on the roof. Peace.